we are going to discuss profit and loss topic. It is also very important and powerful topic, just like percentages. Okay. So according to your own knowledge, what do you mean by profit and what do you mean by loss? Where we can use this type of words in our real life. That's my intention. So what do you mean by profit means, for example, if I bought a particular article for 100 rupees, I sold it for 20% profit. Yes. I bought an article for 100 rupees or 1000, whatever, as your wish. I bought an article for 1000 rupees and sold it for 20% profit. Profit means what? Extra value, right? Okay. So what is my selling price? Okay, for an example, if I go for 1000 rupees, forget about this percentage. I sold an article for 1000 rupees and sold it for 1200 rupees. Sir, no. Yes. I bought an article for 1000 rupees and sold it to another person for 1200 rupees. Profit or loss? Logically profit, right? How much profit will be there? 100 is becoming 1200 means what? 200 is increased. Yes, I am getting profit. Okay, same story. I bought an article for 1000 rupees and sold it for 800. Profit or loss? I bought an article for 1000 rupees and sold it for 800 means logically it is loss, right? How much loss? 200 rupees loss. Very simple story, easy concept. Of course, very easy. But if you observe it clearly, he will not ask profit or loss values. He will ask profit percentage or loss percentage. It will be related to percentage topic. So percentage is nothing but percentage. It is the biggest part of profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, and as well as data interpretation. Very energetic theory is there, right? So no problem. Okay, fine, sir. I got profit here, I got loss here. But how to convert into percentage? Again, same story, same concept. We need to convert into percentage, right? But don't confuse this one. It is also very related to percentage. That's it. Okay, 1000 is becoming 200 means so 200 is increased. According to the profit loss story, old generation story, profit formula is equal to profit percentage is equal to selling price should be more, right, to get profit value? Yes, this can be taken as selling price, this can be taken as cost price. Selling price should be more, cost price should be less. So logically the profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price. That should be compared on the original cost price only. Okay. On cost price. Selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100 can be taken as profit percentage value. Okay, this is the concept of profit percentage. But how to get loss percentage? To get loss value, always the investment should be more and selling price should be less, right? Yes, then we can get loss. Yes or no? Of course, here cost price is 1000 rupees, selling price is only 800. I bought an article for 1000 rupees and selling for every 800 only. Logically 200 rupees loss, right? Okay. To get loss value, always selling price should be less, cost price should be more. So according to the formula, loss percentage to calculate percentage value, loss percentage is equal to cost price should be more, cost price minus selling price divided by cost price always. So we need to compare with the cost price to get our loss percentage value. But to get profit, selling price should be more. To get loss, cost price should be more. That's the story here. Okay, this 200 should be compared on what? The original cost price 1000 rupees into 100. Okay. Then what about loss percentage? So 200 should be loss on what? Always on cost price only. Every time we need to compare with the cost price only. That's it. Maybe loss or profit. I don't know. Okay, nice. 1000 rupees into 100. This is the loss percentage. How can you decide it as loss? Because cost price is more, selling price is less. That's why loss. Here cost price is lesser, selling price is more. That's why we are getting profit. This is profit percentage. This is loss percentage. This is the introduction of profit and loss story. But listen one thing. If you observe these particular formulas, those are not enough to crack this subject by using the formula. So actually almost 32 formulas will be there to gain the particular knowledge on this particular subject. But very difficult situation, right? That's why don't use the formula. I want universal fact only. According to the percentage, always the given number taken as what? 100%, right? In the same way, according to profit loss, the given number is taken as, the given number means what? The cost price is taken as 100%. That's it. Okay. The cost price is taken as 100%. So selling price according to percentage, we can convert it to another issue. Okay. Don't use formulas. Of course, he will not give you the basic question like this. 1000 becomes 200 rupees. He will not give cost price or selling price. Always listen carefully. If you calculate 0 get cancelled. Yes or no? Again 0, 0, get cancel, answer will be 20% profit. Yes or no? According to percentage is 20%. According to my intention, don't divert your brain. According to my intention, this cost price can be taken as always 100% value. Cost price always 100%. I'm getting 20% profit. That's why the selling price can be 100 plus 20%. It can be 120%. That's it. Nothing is there. Yeah, got it. The given investment can be taken as 100%. If I get 20% profit, selling price can be 120%. Okay. Why 120% is selling price? Because cost price is less, you are getting profit. That's why 100 plus will be the selling price, right? In the same way here, if you calculate here 0, 0, get cancelled, 0, 0, get cancelled, I'm getting 20% loss. Yes, of course, 20% loss. But always the cost price can be taken as 100% only. Okay, if I get 20% loss, it can be taken as 80%, right? Yeah. Acha. Always remember one thing. Cost price is 100%. If I get 20% profit, 120% selling price. If I get 20% loss, 80% is the selling price. When you can get loss, selling price should be more, cost should be less. That's it. To get profit, selling price should be more, cost price should be less. To get loss, cost price should be more, selling price should be less. That's it. So whatever the situation, always cost price can be taken as what 100%. This is model number 1. According to the percentage, how to get the profit and loss value questions for sure in easiest way. That's my intention, right? Let's say one more question. I'll give one more interesting question. Okay, listen carefully. Model number 1. I'll discuss all few basic models. After that, we can go for the original questions. Okay, but listen carefully. Very important story. Yes, I bought an article for. Listen carefully. I bought an article for 1200. This can be taken as what? Cost price. I bought an article for 1200. Cost price is given as what? 1200. And sold it for 25% profit. 25% profit. Okay. Understand the question. That is very important. He has given the cost price as what? 1200 rupees. I bought an article for 1200 rupees and sold it for 25% profit. 25% profit. 25% profit, not loss. And find the selling price. That is the question we have. Okay, we need to get the selling price value. He has given cost price value and profit percent is also given. I need to decide the selling price, yes or no? According to our own knowledge and our basic approach without formula. We don't want those particular formulas. Very simple, right? 1200 can be taken as 100%. Yes. The given cost price value can be taken as about 100%. But I need to sell it for 25% profit or loss. Okay, I need to sell it for 25% profit. That's why the selling price should be more than 100%, right? Yes or no? That's why this 25% should be added to 100. That's why it becomes 125%. Yes, 100% value is given as 1200. 100% value is given as 1200. 125% value is what? This is a story, screenplay, and as well as direction. That's it. Okay. Don't calculate 25% on 1200 and don't add it to basic way. That is what children way. I don't want children way. I want logical way based on universal facts. 100% is 200, 125% value is 1. Why we have taken as 125%? Because we are getting profit, right? That is the story here. Yes. 25 fours are 25 fives are 4 ones are 4 300s are 3 fives are 1500 rupees can be your answer. That's it. Kelkatam Dukandar. This is what selling price. The question is what? The cost price is given. I bought an article for 1200 and sold it for 25% profit. Find the selling price. The selling price can be 1500. If I get 25% profit, selling price is 125%. If I get 30% profit, the selling price should be 130%. If I get 40% profit, selling price can be 140%, right? Yeah. Let's take one more interesting question. I'll give one more question. Very important one. So raise your intelligence. That's it. Nothing will be there. Raise your intelligence based on universal facts. Okay? Yes. I bought an article for 1800. Means it is cost price. I bought an article for 1800 and sold it for 10% loss. This is model number 2. Model number 1 means what? How to find the profit and loss percentages. That is another issue. The given investment is taken as about 100%. After that, if it is profit, 100%. But if it is loss, I sold it for 10% loss. Find the selling price. Yes, what will be the selling price? Question is there. Yes, cost price is 800, 10% loss. He sold it for 10% loss. What is the selling price worth? That is the story we have. Always 1800 can be taken as what? 100%. Yes or no? Yes. Always this 1800 can be taken as 100%. Ja. So 100% value is given as 1800. If 100% value is 1800, I need to get 10% loss, right? 10% loss on what? On 100% only. That's why I need to sell it for only 90% worth. Why 90%? If I get 10% loss, a profit, I can get 110. If I get 10% loss, that should be 100 minus, right? Okay. Profit 100 plus. Loss 100 minus. That's it. 100%, 1800, 90% is what? 0 get cancelled. 18 nines are, oh, very tough task, right? Very simple, right? Basic approach. 18 tens is what? 180. 18 nines are 172, right? Sir, no. 172 plus 18 will be, okay, 162, right? 162 plus 18 will be 180. Yes or no? Answer will be 1620. This can be taken as what? Selling price. What is the reason behind it? This cross multiplying. We get the answer, right? Okay, we got the relation between them, right? If cost price is 100%, if he has given the profit value or loss percentage value, I can decide selling price value. Yes, he has given cost price. Very important one. He has given cost price. Now we need to analyze the selling price value according to the percentage. It may be profit or loss. Okay. Yes, this can be taken as model number 2. Model number 1 is what? How to find how to convert into percentage, profit percentage, loss percentage. Model number 2 is what? Model number 2 is what? If he has given cost price value, it may be loss or profit. How to decide selling price? Okay. Basics should be very strong. After that, we can go for the advanced level. Okay. Right. Next story is very powerful story, important story. Right. Model number 3. He has given selling prices, but I need to get cost prices. But there is a mediator. What is that? It may be profit percentage, it may be loss percentage. The question is what? A man sold an article for 600. Okay. Listen carefully. Write down the question mark. A man sold an article for 600 and got 20% profit. Or else, no sir, I don't want 20% values. So choice is yours. Okay, for your comfort. The selling price of an article is 2400. Okay, 2400. By selling an article for 2400, I got 10% profit or 15% for your comfort. Not comfort, for your intelligence. 15% profit. Find the cost price. That is the question I have. What he has given? Selling price is given. By selling an article for 2400 rupees, a man got 15% profit. 15% profit. Find the cost price. That is the question he has given. Find the cost price means what? We need to go for the cost price only, right? Okay, no problem. 2400 is the selling price. 15% is the profit value. I need to go for the cost price value, right? No problem. Listen. Always remember one thing. 100% is missed. Oh yes. Always the cost price can be taken as what? 100%. But logically 100% is missed. I need to get 100% value only. In the previous question, what we discussed? 100% value is given. According to profit and loss, we decided selling price. But he has got direct selling price value. But there is a hint. What is that hint? 15% profit is there, right? Yeah. Okay, in this selling price, if 15% profit is there, it should be 100% above. Yes or no? Selling price should be 100 plus. 100 plus 15 will be 115%. This 115% value is 2400. If 115% value is 2400, what is 100% value? So how we can decide 115% as selling price? Because it is in profit. That's why selling price can be 100 plus only. If it is loss, it will be minus. Okay, 15% profit. 2400 is the selling price value. Okay, that can be taken as 115%. If it is loss, that can be taken as an 85% value only. But he has mentioned as what? Profit, right? Basics are very strong. If basics are strong, then every question will be solved for sure with our intelligence. That's my intention. Okay, at any cost, let's rock the world. Okay, so 115% value, 2400, 100% value is what we need to go with the particular story. Yes, cross multiply now. 0, whatever. We don't want this. I need to give the procedure, right? Procedure based on universal fact. That's my intention. Okay, 115, we can take 15 table, cross multiply now. 2400 into 115 divided, not 115, 100. Here will be 100, right? 2400 into 100 divided by 115. This is our children approach. Or else directly you can go for 5 table also, right? My intention is what? The procedure is very good. Don't go for the answers. It is only for children. Okay? Right. Good. Let's have one more question here. Say model number 2 only. He has given selling prices. That's it. A man sold an article for 8,000, or for your comfort. A man sold an article for, let's take a 1600. A man sold an article for 1600 rupees. Okay. While selling it, he got, very interesting, he got 20% loss. Wow. Little bit shocking situation will be there for sure. Okay, so what? 1600 is the selling price, 10%, 20% loss is there. That's why we can take it as. How we can take it as? 20% loss is there. That's why this 600 can be taken as what? 80%. Why 80%? Loss, selling price. That's why it can be taken as 100 minus value only. 20% loss is there. 80% is 1600. I need to get cost price. Always cost price is 100%. That's it. Nothing is there. So whatever the answer, I don't want. Just I want the procedure one. Right? If it is profit, selling price will be 100 plus. If it is loss, selling price will be 100 minus. So I need to get 100% value to find the cost price. In model number 2, what we have discussed, if he has given cost price, how to find the selling price. In model number 3, what he has discussed, what he has given? He has given the selling price value. I need to take 20% loss. Not loss or profit. Then we can go for the cost price value. Right? Okay, nice. One more interesting story is that I'll give you the questions, try to solve this one. Okay, I'll mix all 3 questions. Very powerful. 3 models, 3 questions. A man sold an article for 1200. 1200 or 12, what's it is your wish. 15,000 or 1500. And sold it for 1600. Find the profit percentage. Model number 1. Okay? Right. So let's go for model number 2. A man. Cost price is given as a man bought. A man bought. A man bought an article for 1200 and sold it for 20% profit. And sold it for 20% profit. Okay. Model number 2. Find the selling price. Yes. Find the selling price. Did you get the story? Screenplay, direction. Let's go for model number 3. Model number 3. A man sold an article for. In selling price is given. A man sold an article for 1800. Okay. A man sold an article for 1800 and got, sometimes profit will be there, loss will be there, another issue. And got 10% loss or profit, whatever. Loss. Find the cost price. These are the models we have discussed, right? These are very important. If you crack these all 3 questions, very easy to crack every question for sure with your intelligence, without formula, right? As 1500 is there, it is selling for 1600. Yes or no? I need to go for the profit percentage. How much extra? 100 extra. The 100 should be compared on what? 100 should be compared on 1500. It can be converted into percentage, into 100. This can be profit percentage. Of course, if it is 1500, if it is 1400, it will be loss. That is another issue. But it can be taken as a profit percentage, right? We will ask only profit percentage. Profit or loss, you can decide it, right? Profit or loss. Okay, right. So 100 should be compared on 1500 into 100 by 15 will be there. 15 5s are, 15 6s are, 15 6 are 90. So 6% something will be there, right? Yes, sir, 60% something will be there, right? You not to worry. Yes, this is a story. I want story only. I don't want answers. I want procedures. Very good. So he has given the cost price, model number 2. He has given 20% profit value. Find the selling price. Okay, if cost price is 1200, that can be taken as what? Always cost price can be 100% value. 100% value is 1200. I need to get selling price value is what? 120% value. 120% value is what? 100% is 200, 120% is what? Good. Then what about this model number 3? Why we have taken 120% as selling price? Because it has been profit value, right? If it is 20% loss, I can take it as 80%, right? Okay. Cost price is, if you go for model number 3, he has given selling price, but 10% loss is there, I need to go for the cost price, right? Okay, nice. Answer will be 90% can be taken as selling price value. 90% value is 1800. And what we need to find here? So cost price always 100%. Is there any confusion between these two topics? Alright? We have successfully discussed 3 models. Right? Any confusion? Nothing will be there, right? Model number 1, how to calculate percentage. Model number 2, how to find selling prices based on cost price. As given cost price, you have to find the selling price. Model number 3, as given selling price, it may be loss or profit, we need to find a cost price. Right? Now let's attack our original story, screenplay, direction. These 3 models are very powerful. I will give variety question, try to solve this one. Right? The question is very interesting. The question is, try to analyze the procedures, how we are approaching the particular models based on universal facts. That's my intention. Don't go for the formulas, avoid those formulas. I want based on universal fact, every question should be solved. That's it, nothing will be there. Right? Ready? The question is, a man sold an article for 1200 rupees. Okay, forget about 1200, whatever. For your comfort only. A man sold an article for 2400 rupees and got 20% profit. Selling price is given. Selling price is what? 2400. And got 20% profit. 20% profit. To get 20% loss. Okay. To get 20% loss. What will be the new selling price? Very interesting, right? That is the question. A man sold an article for 2400 and got 20% gain or profit. Okay. To get 20% loss, find the new selling price. Okay. If he sell it for 2400, he'll get 20% profit, right? But he need to get only 20% loss, not profit. Then what will be the selling price? According to your own knowledge, just try to solve this question in your with your intelligence. Based on universal fact, I want to crack the question in easiest way. So what will be the procedure we have actually? It's very easy, right? How to get the answer here? So according to my intention, don't go for the formulas again. So many people do like this. Okay, he's getting 20% profit, that's why we can calculate 20% on it. And after that, we need to go for 20% of that's why we can calculate 20% on it. And after that, we need to subtract from the 2400 rupees value. That is what childish story. I don't want this one. I want logical approach based on universal fact, right? Very easy. Selling price is 2400. He is getting 20% profit. That's why 120%. So 120% value is 2400. 120% value is 2400. I need to get 20% loss means what? 80% value is what? That's it. Why? Because he is asking selling prices only, right? Okay. By selling an article for 20% profit, it can be taken as selling price as 120%. But I need to go for the selling price only. 80% value. Because I need to get 20% loss, right? Yes, good. Is there any confusion? No confusion is there, right? 120% value, 2400, 80% value is what? Why? Because it is in profit mode, it is in loss mode, right? Just cross multiply will get the answer. 120, how many times will be there? 120 times, 2 times, and means 20 times, right? Yes or no? 120, 20 times will be 2400. 12 those are 24 only. Okay, 80 will be 20 times. 1600. Okay. I got new selling price to get loss. If I sell it for 2400, I can get 20% profit. If I sell it for 1600, I can get loss. Yes or no? Yes. Right. This is a very interesting question, right? I'll give one more question. Try to solve this one. Okay. Very important. So just note down the question. Not note down, just we need to understand the basic approaches. That's my intention. Right? Ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, go. I sold an article for 240 rupees. Selling price is what? 240. And got 20% loss. Got 20% loss. To gain 20% or 10%, whatever. To gain 10%. Find the new selling price. And as well as original cost price. Yes. Nice question, right? Understand it now. It is only the basic level. If you want to write in your notes. Selling price is given as 240. 20% loss. You sell it for 20% loss. But to get 20% gain, 10% gain, what will be the selling price? And find the original cost price. Okay. New selling price we need to find for gain. Means what? Profit. To gain profit, I need to get selling price. Already we discussed, right? Okay. And also I want to original cost price. Very nice and interesting question, yes or no? So what? Need not to worry. Let's rock the world. Very simple. If I go for selling price, so 10, I need to get 10% loss, right? But he is selling it for 240 rupees. He is getting 20% loss. Logically, if I go for selling price story, listen carefully. This 240 can be taken as 80% because 20% loss is there. 80% value is 240. I need to go for selling price for gain or loss. Gain means what? 100 plus will be there. Yes, it is selling price. I need to get 10% gain means what? 110% value. Yes. 80% value is given as 240. 110% value is what? That is story, screenplay, direction. Nice question, nice concept. Okay, fine. One more question is there here. I have a small doubt. What is asking? Cost price also, right? The selling price is 110 because I need to get 10% gain. Then what about a 100% value? This can be taken as cost price. This is new selling price. It is also selling price but old selling price. Why have you taken as 80% loss? Why have you taken 110% gain? But why we have taken 100%? I want original cost price. Got it. So logically, 80% is 240, 81s are 83s are, right? 1 into 3, 330 will be the new selling price. 100 means so 300 will be the 100% value. That is what? Cost price, original cost price. Okay, original cost price is 300, new selling price is 330, original selling price is 240. If it is 240, 20% loss. Okay, if it is 330, 10% gain. The original cost price is what? 100% value. That's it, nothing is there. Very easiest way, right? These are called the basic concepts of profit and loss. After this, we can go for the discount story and as well as SSC CGL Tier 1 level questions also. Right? So this is the story of profit and loss introduction part for SSC CGL Tier 1 level. Okay, always cost price is 100%. If I get 10% loss, 90% is selling price. If I get 10% profit, 110% is the cost price. So, selling price. Or sometimes you will ask selling price value along with the loss. Sometimes you will ask, I will give cost price value to get gain selling price value. Sometimes you mention it. So whatever the situation we have, if he has given selling price, he will give cost price. He will ask cost price. If he has given cost price, he will ask selling price. That's it, right? This is the introduction of what? This is introduction part of what? This is introduction part of profit and loss. Let's go for next topic.